Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split the screen on HP Compaq 250. If you want to use split screen to have different windows opened on your screen, it is pretty simple and I'm gonna show you a full guide on how to do it. So first I'm gonna open 4 windows of the File Explorer, but you can use any app and they can be different apps, but I'm gonna just use the File Explorer, and it can be 2 apps, 3 apps or 4 apps. So just select the one you'd like to open. I'm gonna open it 4 times. And now when it's opened, just select the window that you want to start with. And the easiest way is to just start dragging it, and it will show you this bar on the top. When you go to the top, and you can hover over the option that you want to select, and it will show you where the window will go in this option. So I can set it to the split screen. I can also, instead of dragging it up and on the thing I want, I can just drag it all the way to the left or the right to enter the 2 apps split mode. But if I want to have more than 2, then I need to drag it up and select that option. So I'm gonna select first the standard split in half. You can resize it just like that by dragging the bar that's between them, and this is how it looks. And now I'm gonna drag this window up and select the 4 windows split. You can see that it always asks me what windows to put in the other fields. You can also just click anywhere, so it will not put anything, but I actually do want to put something, so let's click on that now, then on that, and then here. And you can see it's in the split mode, and I can also resize it if it's in the 4 windows mode. So let's just drag it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.